Hello guys, welcome to my tutorials. So here we have a trigonometric question here. They say prove that cos 4x plus sin x cos squared x all over 1 plus sin x is equal to 1 minus sin x. We have to prove this side equal to this side, the left side equal to the right side. So here you are going to choose the most complicated one here so that you can reduce it to be just like the one that is simple. So in this case, we can clearly see that the left hand side is complicated. So if it's complicated like this, you say what? The left hand side. You choose the left hand side. The left hand side, which is cos 4x plus sin squared x cos squared x all over 1 plus sin x. So since we have the left hand side here and it's a fraction here, so what you're going to do is to check if you have common factors here. So that's the most important thing. You will check for common factors. As we can see at the top here, we are separated by this addition here. So the operator is addition. So what you do is to check common factors. We only have cos here. Here we have cos squared. So we take the smallest one, which is cos squared. So because it can go into this twice. So we'll say cos squared x as a common factor. Now you'll be left with cos squared x. Since cos squared x times cos squared x is cos 4x. So then you have plus what? Now in this case we are left with only sin squared x. Then we say all over 1 plus sin x. So after taking a common factor, check the inside of the brackets, or what do you know about the inside of the bracket. So you have to go to your identities. Still remember identities. The one that says what? Cos squared x plus sin squared x equal to 1. So you are going to use this identity so to reduce this one. We know when we see cos squared x plus sin squared x, it will be 1. So this will be reduced to cos squared x times 1 all over 1 plus sin x like this. So you have this. So now the bottom one, there is nothing you can do about the bottom one, but the top one, cos squared x, we can find out using identities, or what is value what cos squared x equal to. So we can use the same identity here. If we make cos squared x subject of the formula here, you'll have 1 minus sin squared x. So meaning what? Cos squared x is the same as 1 minus sin squared x. So that we can make everything look identical, like we have sine and sine, unlike having cos and sine. So in this case, this will equal to 1 minus sin squared x all over 1 plus sin x. So for this we cannot cancel, since here we have minus, here we have plus, and here we have squared. So there is no much we can do here. We cannot cancel. So what we can do is to check the top one here, 1 minus sin squared x. This is called what? Difference of two squared. Since we have a perfect number here and we have a minus here, and then we have a perfect here, sin squared x. So we're going to use this of saying what? A squared minus b squared is the same as what? A minus b and a plus b. So you just take the square root of this, which is a, square root of b, which is b. So you will apply the same rule here. This will be 1, square root of 1 is 1, minus sin x, 1 plus sin x. So this is what you have. Then all over 1 plus sin x. So can you see that 1 plus sin x will cancel 1 plus sin x? Then we are left with 1 minus sin x, which is your right hand side. You see the right hand side is 1 minus sin x. So you're going to say, well, this is the same as your right hand side. We have proven that. That's how you prove that these two are equal. Thank you for subscribing. Oh shit.